What's up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. Okay, guys, so today we're going to get into this look. We're going to do something special towards the end. Stay tuned for it. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do this look. I'm thinking of a brown chocolatey gingerbread look. Let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so now as you can see, I did my eyebrows. I put the concealer over my lids, set my lids, and also I've color corrected. Now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. We're going to use this burnt orange shade in the bottom. And we're going to apply that in the crease. And we're going to blend it out. Where's the brush? Right here. We're going to use the Morphe M441 brush. Excuse me. We're going to use the M441 brush, and the name of this color is called Taza, T-A-Z-A. That's the name of it. We're going to apply that right in that crease, because we're going to go in with a brown. Okay, now to go into that crease, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into this brown. It's called Kufaru in the middle at the top. And this is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, of course. I'm going to go into that and see how it looks, deepening up that crease, so that when we cut that crease, we don't really have much. I went in and blended that brown and that orange color together. Now I'm going to go in and attempt to cut this crease. We're going to go back into that deep color, Kufaru, from that Warrior 2 palette, and we're going to try to blend out that orange. Now we're going to re-clean that brush off, and we're going to go into the chocolate palette, and we're going to take the, I'm looking for the brush, guys. So we're going to take the Morphe 167 brush, and we're going to dab it into that shade, and we're going to attempt to put it in our cut crease. Now we're going to go into the NYX glitter primer, and we're going to use the NYX glitter in the color MGL 104. Okay, guys, so I went in and I've applied that glitter. So far I like it, but I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I'll be back to you when I get ready. Okay, guys, I have now completed the eyes. Well, I haven't completed them yet. I'm going to go into the face first, and then I'm going to come back and do that wing. So, of course, you know we're going to go into that deep chestnut and that deep caramel by e.l.f. The 16-hour camo concealers. Of course, they're matte, but let's get into it. Next, we're going to go in with those damn beauty blenders. Okay, so now I'm going in with the back of that beauty blender from the Pharmaceaux. Of course, the link will be in the description box below. You all know that this doesn't come out until the 21st, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, you know we have to blend the outer corners of their nose. We don't need anything. I mean, anything. Now we're going to go in with that Holy Grail Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and we're going to apply that using our Juvia's Place brush. We're going to apply that foundation under those concealers. Make sure you blend them out. Blend it into the bottom of that concealer so there's no harsh lines between your foundation and your concealers. I go in and do the foundation on the forehead. I'm going to go in with that deep chestnut and apply it to the middle of my forehead. We're going to go in with the back of that beauty blender and we're going to just push it in. Pat, push, pat, push, pat, push, pat, push. I always bring it down to my nose so that when I get ready to contour my nose, the highlighting part is already done. So now we're going to go in and contour with that Juvia's Place Sokoto. Then we're going to go in with that Real Technique brush and we're going to make sure that we blend that in. The Instapop cheek brush, we're going to go in and blend that in, and I'll see you all once I'm finished. Okay guys, I've contoured already. Now I'm about to go in with those powders. We're going to set with the banana powder from Anastasia and also that air spun. Y'all know I love these two. So we're going to go into that Anastasia banana powder first. This side. Also, we're going to go down the bridge of our nose. This is the first for y'all. But I don't normally do this. But today I'm going to do it for you all. Now we're going to go in with that air spun. And we're going to carve out that contour. And we're going to apply the air spun to the forehead and the chin. Go back in and we're going to carve out that contour. On both sides. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with that Beauty Bakery's Lollipop Liner. And I'm going to do that wing. Once again, y'all know how I feel about my wings. So just work with me. I'm going to go in with the NYX matte liner and close off. I'm going to go in with that NYX liner. And I'm going to do the beginning of the wing, guys. Just because I have glitter on my eyes and I didn't want to mess up that felt tip. So I'm going to just do it with this tip. So far, guys, I'm loving this look, Hunty. Yes, Hunty, yes. Those wings are completed. I'm going to take that fan and I'm going to make sure they dry down. Okay guys, now it's time to dust that powder off. We're going to go in and dust. We're going to start with that carving of that contour. Dust this side and we're all done. Let's move right along into bronzing that face, honey. Let's get into this Caramel Cutie by Fenty Beauty. Y'all know this the holy grail. I love it. Like I said, 20 out of 10, period. Nothing more. Forehead, right in the middle. Then we're going to go around it with Coco Naughty. Now we're going to move right into Coco Naughty. We're going to apply that to everywhere we applied that contour. Coco Naughty is just going to set that contour. So let's get into it. So now we're going to move into highlighting. We're going to use that Fenty Beauty highlighter. And y'all know I have to invest in the full size one because this is my travel size one. And by the time I get to doing the traveling, I ain't going to have none. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in with that Fenty Beauty mascara, and we're gonna apply the mascara to our top lids. Then we're gonna go back in and apply it to the bottom lids. Okay, now that the bottom and top lashes are now done, we're gonna go in and we're gonna apply our lashes. As of right now, I don't know which lashes we're gonna use, but I'll tell you when I come back. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in with the lash so Ecstasy. We're gonna apply that. We're almost finished. We gotta get into these lips, hunty. Yes. I'm gonna apply this one, and then I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and when I come back, we're gonna get into these lips, hunty. Okay guys, before I go in and do the lips, we're gonna set this face, honey. Let's get into it. And as you all can see, I gave y'all the under eye look. It's the brown and that deep orange color. I gave y'all that, also the bottom liner. Okay guys, since I gave y'all this nice chocolate eye, I'm gonna give y'all, of course, a new lip. Duh. So we're gonna first go in with that KKW Beauty's Nude 3 lip liner, and we're gonna line the lip. Okay guys, so I went in, I applied my molds, and also I've applied both lip glosses and lip liner. I absolutely love it, but wait, there's more. Okay guys, so here's the finishing look. I absolutely love it. Guess what guys, it's giving me every bit of hot cocoa, gingerbread. It's giving all that for me. What about y'all? Get into it. Get into them lips. Oh, so guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh!